Alright guys, I'm going to show you this Bluetooth OBD2 port adapter that I'm going to connect with my Android Droid X with an application called Torque, because I want you guys to see how it works and how we can probably use it with the truck and get some good information from it. So like I said, this is just an eBay adapter, about 30-40 bucks shipped. It's OBD2 ELM 327 interface, which is what we need for our truck. And basically, plug it in down here. Of course, you're not going to see it. It's nighttime. I don't have good light, but I just plugged it up down in the OBD2 port down underneath the dash. My Droid X, which hands down, absolutely love it. For those that don't like Apple, you might like that screen. Yeah. Alright, so anyway. So we're going to go and start up my application called Torque, which is right there. Sorry, I'm going to start the truck. Alright. I got my focus set on something else, but basically that yellow light right there is a check engine light, which I purposely tripped just for you guys so I can show you this. My GPS is not enabled. Do I want to enable it? No, not right now. And this will connect here in just a second. Basically, you see it trying to connect right there. Oh, hang on, I gotta turn my Bluetooth on. Alright, here we go. Alright, picking up my adapter. And here we go.
Caution, icy conditions.
Alright, basically, got a couple of information here. You got real-time information, your check faults or your check engine light. If I have my GPS turned on, you could do a map, which goes through Google Maps, your adapter status, and this last one is just help if you had any questions or anything about the program. Basically, you can see how it works. Real-time information is pretty cool. It's already got some preset information. You can go through the process of setting up any one of your own gauges. I'll get a little bit into that in just a moment. Excel, like if you're going forwards, backwards, whatnot. Your revs, RPM, speed, if we're moving, throttle load or percent. Your vacuum, which is always kind of cool to know, right? And your coolant temperature, which I'm sitting here on a cold engine that's warming up. So right now I'm 131 degrees, 132, and basically I've got 180 stats, so it'll go to about 180, 185 and chill out right there. There are several screens to this, is indicated down here at the bottom. Some of these aren't set up, but again, this is another screen, mile per hour, a blank screen that you could set up any one of your applications or gauges. Alright, 0 to 60, your quarter mile, eighth mile, horsepower, your maximum speed. What else? Excel, graph, and just another blank screen here. If you wanted to set up a display, we could add one, and you could do a dial, a graph, a digital display, air fuel. Let's see if we can just set up a digital display. And here's just some of the options that we have here. I'm not going to go through them, but you guys can read them as I scroll through. Alright, and that's it. Transmission temperature. It's always cool. Alright, let's go back to our middle screen. And as you can see, we're 100 and almost 60 degrees. So we're still warming up. Alright, with that being said, go back to our main screen, check engine, reads the codes. Yeah, let's see what we got. Basically, you know, here's your DTC codes, tells you what it is. And here's your fault. You can do a web lookup. And let's do that real quick. Basically, it just tells you what it is, your generic. Since this is a Chrysler, it gives you specific Chrysler information. So all good to know stuff. Alright, view map if we had GPS running. Let's see what it gives us, which I don't have GPS turned on, but basically, like I said, you could use this to navigate with or be able to tell you where you're at. Alright, back out of that. Your adapter status. Alright, let's see what we got here. Bluetooth's enabled, connection to the computer, adapter manufacturer, version, alright. Let's go through some of the settings real quick. And basically, you can go through some of this and see what all you can do with it. You can set up your engine displacement, which I have mine set up. Vehicle weight, I have that already entered for mine. Adjust boost if you had it. You can choose different themes, background images. We have it set to mileage and Fahrenheit. We use feet. We use gallons. Connection type, which we have it set for Bluetooth. Choose the Bluetooth device we're connecting to. You can automatically log with this application, so you can set it when you start the application, automatically start logging. You can upload it to a web server. Speech, safety warnings, alarms, all kind of nice stuff. Manage extended ID, so you can actually add or remove different things here and create your own PIDs that we may have for the Dodge Ram. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share that with you. Give you an idea of this application. Again, it's called Torque. And that's it. Y'all have a great night.